Changing the engine oil in your car is a basic maintenance job that will keep your vehicle ticking over nicely. Here is what you'll need: engine oil, a sump plug, a funnel, an oil filter, an oil pan, gloves, safety glasses, a socket set to remove the sump plug, and everything you need for how to jack up your car. Note, you may also need an oil filter wrench depending on your car. Drive your car up onto the ramps if necessary for jacking. Chock the back wheels. Before starting, make sure the car is cool and has not been driven in a few hours. You don't want to burn yourself on the hot oil. Jack up the car to the required height and place it on jack stands so it's safe to work under. Put on your safety glasses and gloves. Locate the engine oil sump plug. Position your drain pan under the plug before removing it. Remove the plug to drain the oil. After the engine oil drains, remove the filter. This is usually accessible from under the vehicle or through the engine bay. You can do this by using a filter removal tool if you can't do it by hand. Make sure you buy the right filter for your car. We can make sure you get the right one in store at Autobarn. Add a finger of oil around the seal to prevent it from binding up. Then screw the oil filter on until it's tight. Be careful not to over-tighten it. Replace the sump plug with a new plug. Now we can lower the car before adding new oil. Top up the oil. Check the oil type is right in store for your car. Tip: while the volume of oil your car takes will be in the manual, it could be up to 10 litres. Fill the engine using a funnel until the oil level registers full on the dipstick. Start the engine and allow it to run for about a minute. This is enough time to circulate oil around the engine and fill the filter. Check the level again and top up if needed until the oil sits up on the full mark. And now you've done it right.
Autobarn.
Top Gear, low prices.